Magandang hapon po ng May 19, 2024 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 19, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, May 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for May 19, 2024, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for Sunday, May 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 19, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.